So every business-to-business engagement that involves two parties fulfilling obligations to each other, either between a freelancer or a client, a vendor or a buyer, an agency or a partner, is currently managed through email chain, which there is no audit trail or anything that has to do with the whole transaction end to end. So there's nothing to tell each other that's okay, fine, I'm done with this particular engagement, that I need to be paid. So nothing is being fired. That is where we come in. Pact gives you the automation of obligation end to end between two parties or two or more parties involved. So Pact is a multidisciplinary commitment execution platform where any two or more parties can define their obligations, accept them, fulfill them, and the outcome fires automatically the moment all conditions are met. Aurora DSQL was used as database to avoid pessimistic locking, which other database usually gives. And because our DSQL Aurora uses what we call an optimistic concurrency control, where there's no deadlock and no lock mechanism involved. And if two writes occurs at the same time, one commit wins and the other will retry retrospectively at the other time, which results in a what we call. So if you go to the web interface, this is the login interface after a particular user has logged in. They click create a pact. Let me say supply. And then the outcome is interpreters. And then details. The details of the obligations in details. Either a company name, you put the user, the condition is when you create and when you deploy. When you deploy, the obligor will get an email or in their dashboard they will get an email already for as a notification, and then they get it here also in their dashboard. They will click review what the obligation is about, what they need to do. After review, if they need to accept, they accept. When they want to decline, they decline and then give the reason why they are declining, and they accept. In the moment they accept, they carry out whatever they need to carry out. Then comes the fulfillment of the obligation. This is where the dash, the when I mark as fulfill in both, one of them usually commits after the other, and immediately I do that, I should get an email that has been fulfilled, and a second one should come in. That that gives the whole hashing algorithm mechanism of everything. And after that, I should get my receipt of execution, which gives me the whole algorithm that I can use to claim anything, or when there's a dispute, I have a fingerprint execution on everything that I've done and executed. Thank you. As part of deployment, we use everything is deployed on Vercel. This is it, and then this is the storage that was used. We use KV also, and then this is the Aurora DSQ that was used for everything that was done.